All India Radio presents Morning News.
Indian Railways is constructing the world's tallest pier bridge in Manipur. The bridge, which is being constructed across River Ijai near Noni, is an engineering marvel because the tallest pier height will be 141 meters. It will surpass the existing record of 139 meters of Mala Rijeka Viaduct, Montenegro in Europe. The Manipur bridge is located in the hilly terrain of Marangching village in Noni district, about 65 kilometers west of Imphal. The total estimated cost of the bridge is 280 crore rupees and it will be completed by March 2022. The bridge is a part of Jiribam Tupul Imphal new BG line project. The total length of the bridge will be 703 meters. The piers of the bridge are constructed using hydraulic augers. The tallest piers needed specially designed slip form technique to ensure efficient and continual construction. Road and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari will lay the foundation stone for 13 highways projects in Manipur through video conferencing this morning. He will also inaugurate a road safety project in the state during the event. Under the highways project, over 3,000 crore rupees will be spent for development of 316 kilometers roads in the state. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh will preside over the function and his cabinet colleagues will also attend the function. A report from our correspondent.
Under the new highways project, 11 projects will be taken up by National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, which have a total length of around 165 kilometers with the project cost of over 2,086 crore rupees. It will include 4-laning of some sections of Imphal to More Road, which is the major road connecting to Southeast Asian countries. Moreover, 2-lane roads will be constructed in Churasanpur district and widening of various inter-district roads in the state will be done. Manipur State Public Works Department has been given tasks of restoration and rehabilitation of around 151 kilometers long road and road safety works in the state with the project cost of over 126 crore rupees. JJ Thoksom from Imphal for AIR News.